Sorry for the interruption. Once the acknowledge bit is sent, the data is now moved from here, hours data time, to here, and that is where how we get the output, the final output. So I think that is much about the receiver. In this place is for the checksum, and remember, to receive these bits one after the other, there's always a counter thing. This is the where the checksum is being received, and this is the input from the counter, and it's clocking the bits of the checksum out through here. So whenever there is a block of data that needs to be accessed serially one after the other, you will most likely be using a multiplexer to select each bit of the data using the bit index. That is more like the counter that is counting to know which particular part of the bit is at. So it's now be counting one after the other. So that is much about this bpsk demodulator. So I won't treat this top part individually, so I'll just briefly talk about it. So at the end of the day, you now see how all these submodules were actually joined. If you'll be needing the code, you can the logic sim circuit, you can send me a chat. I'll send it to you. You'll see that the PLC is more like the bus controller, while this is the main circuit, the bpsk modem, and this modem consists of our demodulator and the modulator, which we've discussed, and these are just the peripheral outskirts circuit which we discussed earlier in the course of this tutorial. If you have more questions, I can explain more better, especially concerning this demodulator. If you understand, I didn't really touch it very well. Thank you so much, and subscribe to my channel.